Hi, I'm Professor Becky Sharpless, and I'm teaching the 1L Immigration Law class next semester. I really hope you'll consider taking the course. It's a great introduction to immigration law, both the law, the policy, some of the debates that have been occurring, the news will be covered. It's just a great comprehensive overview about one of the most hot-button issues of our time. The course is organized to start you with some about the foundations of immigration law. We talk about where the power to exclude people from our country even comes from. And then we take you all the way through up to modern day immigration problems. We'll look at the statute that governs immigration law. You will learn how to read the particular provisions of immigration law to see whether someone can fight a deportation if the authorities are trying to deport someone. You'll look at the policy behind immigration. We'll look at the agencies involved with immigration. So there's a wide variety of things that are covered in the course. And the course, I think, will have broad interest for people even if you're not interested in immigration law as a career. And that's because we learn how to read statutes very closely. We learn how to read cases very effectively, and we learn how to problem solve. I practiced immigration law for 13 years before becoming a teacher, and I've written all of the hypotheticals that we use in class to make sure that what we learn at a conceptual level is really lining up with what happens on a day-to-day basis in clients' lives. So I hope you'll consider the course. It's tested by a single final exam, which will test the core concepts that are covered in class. I would say that the style in class is a combination of sort of lecture style with some discussion and interactive components in the class. I tend to use clickers a couple times during the semester. We definitely work through problems every class, and those problems are available to you in writing and will help you study for the final exam. I show video clips, so clips of current issues that are happening in immigration law, and we connect those clips to what we're learning in class that day. Again, so I think that the class really has a general interest for lots of people. I think in particular, if you're interested in the immigration clinic next year, you should consider taking this course because it will allow you to hit the ground running in the clinic, which I also teach. Also, if you're interested in practicing criminal law, you really should take an immigration course at some point during your law school career. And that's because the Supreme Court has now said that defense attorneys must, as part of their job, give immigration advice to their clients about the consequences of a plea deal. And so what that means is that you can't be an effective defense lawyer unless you've learned something about immigration. So I hope you'll take the course. I hope to see you next semester.